Welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making a delicious custard bread dessert using leftover bread. Crispy, creamy and perfect for a quick sweet treat. A simple way to turn leftover into something amazing. Let's start the recipe. Take bread slices and cut them into triangle shapes. Bread desserts are popular in many cultures. Fry in medium heated oil. Until golden brown and crispy. Fry bread until perfectly golden, not burnt. Keep aside. In a pan, add 2 cups sweetened milk, or you can add 2 tablespoons sugar. Let it boil. In a bowl, mix 3 tablespoons milk with 1 tablespoon custard powder. Pour this mixture into the boiling milk. Custard gives a smooth and creamy texture. Cook on medium heat for smooth texture. Cook while stirring until it thickens. This recipe is a great way to reduce food waste. Now place the fried bread pieces in a mold. Fried bread adds a unique crispy layer. Pour the hot custard mixture over the bread. Spread dry fruits on top. Milk provides calcium and protein. Dry fruits add vitamins and healthy fats. Let it cool slightly, then chill for better taste. Homemade desserts are more hygienic. You can control sugar as per taste. Your creamy custard bread dessert is ready. Serve chilled and enjoy this quick sweet dish. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Enoven Cake and Cookies for more easy dessert ideas.